The enzyme-substrate complex is what's formed when the substrate or the reactant that fits the enzyme perfectly latches onto the enzyme and undergoes a transformation. In this case, it is an anabolic reaction which takes multiple parts and forms it into one whole piece. Competitive inhibition happens between a substrate and another molecule that both fit into a certain enzyme. The two may look similar in some parts, so they must compete in order to be broken down or built up. Non-competitive inhibition also involves two molecules. However, the other inhibitor and latches on to the enzyme before the substrate can, and changes the shape of the enzyme so that the substrate can no longer attach to the enzyme to be altered. Allosteric regulation occurs when another molecule that is not a substrate molecule called an activator molecule attaches to the enzyme and will actually change the shape of the enzyme so that it perfectly fits the shape of its substrate. Feedback inhibition happens when the product of a reaction goes back into the enzyme after being altered and results in the enzyme being dysfunctional. It can even go back in as a competitor of the substrate molecule. Denaturing of a protein occurs when an enzyme is brought out of its proper work environment. Since proteins are so specific and fragile, even the slightest change of the shape, size, or pH of the area of the protein will completely ruin the protein and its function completely.